Currently on the screen is a capture from a live streaming webcam available on the swellnet.com, I think it's .au website. This is Moffat Beach here in Queensland, Caloundra region. And for Tuesday, the 19th of December, not long to go before Christmas, welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australia Oceania team. And there's no doubt that the tropical scene is developing. And in this update, we'll have a look at related information and including various marine warnings in place by the Bureau of Meteorology. This was captured late yesterday afternoon. And over in the Fiji region, there are two tropical depressions on the Fiji Met Office radar. Now this was recorded yesterday afternoon. This is one of 5 individual members to a GFS model. Area of interest for tropical cyclone, area west of Darwin down to at least Broome. I've looked at other modelling and there appears to be consensus that we could see a tropical cyclone over the Christmas break. Could we see a second tropical system to the north of Darwin up there in the Northern Territory? And considering the 5 individual members, the members are forming the consensus that something is likely to happen. Now we have a look at the satellite view of the Southwest Pacific region, and this was recorded yesterday afternoon. And I was wondering whether there might be something to the east of Cairns. But the 2 tropical depressions are struggling over in the Fiji region. We'll bring the latest from the Fiji Met Office in our next update. And turning to the local scene, Bureau of Meteorology has in place severe weather warning for the central east Gippsland, southwest, north central, northeast, west and south Gippsland, and including the Wimmera forecast districts, that is in the state of Victoria. And that's the warning area, Falls Creek, Bright, out to Mount Bulbor, across to Ballarat and the Stanwell region. Strong wind warning is in place for the Port Phillip Bay, West Coast, Central Coast, Central Gippsland and East Gippsland Coast. And a similar one for Wednesday. A fire weather warning is also in place down there in Victoria, the Mallee, the Wimmera, the Northern Country forecast districts. Hot to very hot conditions expected across Victoria during Tuesday, with moderate to fresh and gusty north to northeasterly winds. Scattered showers and thunderstorms possible, and up there in New South Wales, strong wind warning in place for the Macquarie, Hunter and the Sydney coast, and cancellation for the Gulf coast. Then it gets expanded for Wednesday for the Sydney closed waters. Fire weather warning for the eastern Riverina fire area. Hot and windy conditions expected across inland New South Wales ahead of another cold front that will move into the southwest of the state later today. And down in Tasmania, gale warning for the southwest, central west coast, strong wind warning for the Durham Estuary, Frederick Henry Bay, Norfolk Bay, Storm Bay, Channel, far northwest, upper east, lower east, southeast coast. And a small craft alert for the Central Plateau Lakes, the southwest lakes. That's for today, and for Wednesday, a gale warning will be in place for the southeast coast, southwest coast, central west coast, and there's a extremely deep low pressure system that will most likely get down to about 944 and will track to the southwest of Tasmania. Now this is the 12-hourly rainfall outlook from the Bureau of Meteorology. And again, it's the Northern Territory WA border region. And shortly the total forecast of rain and how the picture changes. Although the area around Tamworth could see 50 millimetres of rain. Dubbo, that's for today. And note how the picture changes. Rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen, and this is across the next 4 days. and Inverell, Armidale, Tamworth will be gunda windy. And I think this is leading into the weekend. Now Bry. Here's the total forecast for rain. Look at the area in green and dark green. And how the picture changes is that purple peak related to this possible tropical low or even a cyclone. And note the area south of the Queensland-New South Wales border. One model was indicating a possible system, Gove Northern Territory. Now here's the Himawari 8 rainbow view of Australia and to its west. And the Bureau of Meteorology does have a low to the northwest of Christmas Island. It's got clockwise winds to within 180 nautical miles, and central pressure at this point in time is 1009, dropping to 1008. Now this is the Canadian model, and this is the latest one, and again it's the northern area of the state of Western Australia. And you can see that deep low pressure system to the south of Australia. That low that just came in on the last model one, it could be the Christmas Island one. The modelling is indicating or lending support to possibly 2 tropical cyclones over the Christmas New Year period. The latest from the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre, and I have 97W. Now here are some model tracks, starting with the UK Met. And this relates to the low near Christmas Island. And as mentioned, other weather information outside official sources, it does change, especially the models. And there were many models to which the public don't get to see. And when will the monsoon season start for the Northern Territory? Now we have a look at the NCEP GFS, and they are indicating a tropical cyclone along with the Canadian. And this is the Navy's left gem. And this is part of the United States Navy's operation. The NCEP.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk, at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13, all in text, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.